Welcome back to the channel, and this might be the perfect gaming monitor you can buy under £300. This is MSI's curved 31.5 inch 1440p gaming monitor that supports HDR and up to 180Hz refresh rate. It's called the 325CQRF QD-E2. Today we're going to be unboxing it and seeing what this thing can do on my Radeon 9070 XT. Now let's get into the unboxing. So inside the package they provide you with pretty much everything that you need. You get an included DisplayPort cable, a power brick and cable, as well as the user guide. The included stand comes with an arm and then the base that attaches to it, but I've decided to put mine straight onto a monitor arm. The design of the monitor is mainly aimed at gamers, with quite a large back on it to house all the components. It's got Mystic lighting on the back for some nice ambient lighting, and it can be synced with other Mystic light enabled products. It's got a really nice edge-to-edge frameless design, and because it's got a 1000R curve, you get that instant immersive experience. The stand it comes with I'm not a massive fan of due to the design. It could take up a lot of room on your desk, and it would have been better if they went with a flat plate design. But if you're using a monitor arm like me, then it won't be an issue. Then on the back of the monitor it has a joystick that you can use to cycle through menus and settings. As for the ports, it's got two HDMI 2.0 ports, one DisplayPort 1.4, a USB-C port, a USB-B port, two USB 2.0 Type A ports, and a headphone jack. It's even got a built-in KVM so you can use the same mouse and keyboard across all your devices. And the USB-C port supports up to 65 watts of power, which is really nice to see. This model also has built-in speakers, which you don't normally see, so there's no need to plug in any external speakers. So first impressions on this screen, it's 1440p, so you're getting a massive step up from 1080p, which I had previously. I've changed no settings at all, so what you're seeing is exactly how it's going to look straight out the box. It's nice and sharp, and the colours are vibrant and vivid. I've had MSI monitors in the past, and their colours have always been really good. Being a VA panel, the blacks are really dark, and it's got amazing contrast. It has MSI's AI vision technology, which can not only reveal extra details in dark areas, but also improve overall brightness and saturate colours. It also has a peak brightness of 300 nits. What makes this monitor different from others is it has a quantum dot panel, which adds another layer to the display to improve colour accuracy, increase saturation, and offer a better contrast ratio. Now over the last few days I've been playing some games to test out how this monitor performs. This monitor will play games at a maximum resolution of 2560 by 1440 at 180Hz. I play on PC, so I'll be using my custom build that uses a Radeon 9070 XT and an i5 13600K. Jumping into Cyberpunk, this is where the deep blacks and amazing contrast really shine on this monitor. Plus you can see just how vivid the colours are. It runs really well with some great frame rates at 1440p. You can see from the gameplay just how good this game looks, capturing all the little details in the shadows and the highlights, which is exactly what you want. If you're more into competitive FPS games than story-driven games, then with its 180Hz refresh rate, that's not going to be a problem. Plus it has a super fast response time of just 0.5 milliseconds. It supports adaptive sync with FreeSync Premium and G-Sync, so you're going to have a tear-free experience. Taking a look into the menus on this monitor using the joystick on the back to cycle through different settings. It has different image presets depending on the game that you're playing. Blue light settings, you can turn on HDR, adjust your refresh rate, adaptive sync, it's got a pro mode, you can turn on AI vision, and many more settings to tailor it to your liking and get the most out of this monitor. Overall I'm really happy with how this monitor performed. It looks the part with the added ambient lighting, curved design, and subtle details. The 180Hz refresh rate and the 0.5 millisecond response time are some really solid specs for a gaming monitor. It's currently on sale at Overclockers for £218 down from £300, and I think that's a great price for a mid-range 1440p gaming monitor with these features. The games look amazing on this monitor. There was zero ghosting and I really enjoyed using it. It's not 4K OLED, but it delivers nice visuals, those deep blacks, and the overall build quality is what you come to expect from MSI. This monitor definitely gets my recommendation, and that's going to be it for this review of the MSI 325CQRF QD-E2 gaming monitor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more reviews like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.